Hello friends, today in this video I will show you cannot send or receiving a file Bluetooth in Windows 11. So it is very easy to fix it. So first you need to search control panel and open it. Now view by language, view by large icon, you select this one and find this network and setting can enter. So simply click on it, enter. Network and sharing enter. Simply click on it and change advanced sharing settings. So simply click on it. So this type of screen will be open. So file and printer sharing. So enable this option. Allow other on the network to access sharing share file and printers on this device. So enable this option and close it. So guys, in my case this is opening settings. In your case this is not open setting. Like I will click on change advanced settings. So you see this settings will be open. If settings will be not open, so comment me. So I will reply to this fix. So close it, and this way you can fix this problem. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.